Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be filming my not so morning routine. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I do in the morning is, of course, open my eyes. Ay, hindi pala. The first thing I do is off the alarm clock, stretch a little to reach my phone. Kasi it sounds annoying, isn't it? To be honest with you guys, I always take 5 more minutes nap. Yung nap na yun, kadalasan, napapatagal. At least in my dreams, I'm a morning person. Nagdadalawang isip ako, pipindutin ko ba yung snooze o yung stop. At dahil gusto kong maging productive today, tutulog ulit ako. Joke lang, syempre. Bangon-bangon din pag may time self. So, when I'm almost awake, the second thing is turn off my lampshade and turn off the TV. Kasi kagabi pa yan. Yes, gabi-gabi ko siya binubuksan and sa morning ko lang pinapatay. So, when I'm fully awake, I go check on my social media. Woke up like this, a hex. Am I the only one doing this? Don't judge me, please. So, let's start with our Facebook. Yan, dito sobrang daming mentioned you in the comment. O, diba? And next, our YouTube. Tingnan ko or check ko kung meron na ba akong new subscribers. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. And Twitter, of course, para updated tayo sa mga chismis. And after that, I'll check on my Instagram. And this is one of the most important things that I have to do in the mornings, to check my email. And after that, I'm gonna go and check my boyfriend's messages. Yan, magre-react muna ako sa mga pinagsasend niya. Wow! And when I finish reading and reacting to his message, call na natin siya. Sumagot ka na, please. Ayun, sumagot na siya. Wala akong pasok. Sa tingin mo ba may pasok ako kung gantong oras na ako nagising? Pero pwede din, lagi naman ako late eh. So, I usually stay in bed for about 10 to 20 minutes para makausap siya.
Guys, na yun ako. Pepe.
Bukas ako ng 6 a.m. aalis.
Sige na.
Kaya pala.
Yan, anong ulit? Hanggang mamaya ako pa na magising.
Pepe.
Love you too.
Miss you.
Sorry guys, kung masyado kami pabebe kasi ganyan talaga kami mag-usap.
Love you. Bye-bye.
And this is the most heartbreaking part, to say goodbye. So the next thing that I do is grab my bottle of water to keep me hydrated. Ito na rin kasi gamit ko pang mumug eh. Hindi, joke lang. And yeah, I will stretch a little bit and take some time to pray and thank God for another day. And what I like about my wall clock is nandiyan siya sa tapat ko. So, kagising ko, alam ko na kung anong oras ako nagising. Then, I'll open my window shield para naman mas maliwanag sa loob ng kwarto. And yan, nag-inarte na naman ako. Kala mo naman, prinsesa ang dating. So the next thing that I do is optional. If I don't feel hungry yet, I will open the book I'm currently reading and read the whole chapter for about half an hour. While I'm reading, I play relaxing music to, just kind of calm my soul, I must say, and to help me concentrate my mind. I also use different colors of highlighters just to kind of boost my confidence on reading. And after I highlight those important things written on the book, I also list all the things that I have to do on that day. My to-do list. Once I'm done, I'm gonna fold my lap desk and I'm now heading to make my bed as easy as possible. So yeah, stretch na naman tayo ulit. Walang katapusang stretch yan. Yep, I typically make my bed in the morning. Hindi ako umaalis hanggat di maayos yan. Epekto na kaya to ng sobra sa tulog? Huwag naman sana. Yep, I always check myself in the mirror. Tingnan ko kung lumaki na ako. Anyways, I'm now heading to my bathroom. I'm just gonna grab my headband before I start my skincare routine. So, first things first, wash your face with water. I'm just gonna get my favorite morning and night skincare routine, the Curology. If you haven't watched my previous video about this, check it out, guys. So, step 1 is the cleanser. I'm just gonna get an ample amount of this product and wash my face with it. Next step is the moisturizer. It's very important for you to moisturize your face after you clean it. So I'm just gonna tap the product all over my face. So the last step is the custom formula, and this is for my nighttime routine. And also, this is the most important thing that I do in the morning, poop time. And if you have noticed, mahilig talaga ako sa alarm clock kasi mabagal ako kumilos. I make sure na updated ako sa time. And now it's shower time. Oops, kala mo ha? Tanan! Ay, hindi pala naligo si ate girl. So, just finished my mini shower. Yep, I call it mini because when I do my actual shower, it takes me about 2 hours. So right now I'm gonna show you my OOTD or outfit of the day. I'm in the mood for some acid wash vibe. So after picking my outfit, I'm gonna go ahead to my vanity area. Yep, this is where the magic begins. My favorite part of my morning routine. So when I do my everyday makeup, I always do it with a music on just to kind of like hype my vibe. Yep, that's true. You might as well do it. As they say, jewelry is like the perfect spice, you know? It always complements what's already there. That's why I like or I love wearing jewelries or accessories, any kind of accessories. Ganyan ang itsura ko kapag hindi naliligo. So, because of that, I'm gonna use my dry shampoo, the Batiste. I'm gonna pick my cup or hat that matches my outfit. So, after making sure that I look and smell good, I'll head downstairs to make my super late brunch but super early dinner, if that's even a thing. And as you guys can tell, mahilig talaga ako sa mirror and mga halaman din aside from clock. Nilagay ko talaga yan para before ako umalis, check ko muna yung sarili ko kung maayos na ba ako. Actually, na-check ko na sa taas, right? So yeah, let's go. So I'm gonna go ahead now to our kitchen to make some breakfast. Yep, we called it breakfast even if it's afternoon already because that's the first food we're gonna be eating. So today I'm gonna be doing my healthy yogurt. I do it with some blueberries and some strawberries. And of course, I'll sprinkle it with my chia seed, my favorite. So, yep, it's done and I am so ready to eat it. Looks good, right? So, while I'm eating my breakfast, I'm also using my phone as always. Few minutes later, I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and check the weather. I love the weather today, it's so sunny. So yeah guys, I think that is it. I'm ready to go now and I have my key right here just to lock our door. Of course, don't forget that before you leave. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead to my car. Make sure to buckle up your seatbelt and drive safely. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Mwah.